How to fix unable to download Roblox from Microsoft Store. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're having trouble downloading Roblox from the Microsoft Store, you can follow the simple steps. First of all, open your computer search function and then type in CMD. Once you do that, right-click on the command prompt and then select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes if prompted, and in the command prompt window, type in WS Reset, which stands for Windows Store Reset, and then press on Enter. This will reset the Windows Store. And after the reset, you can search for Roblox again and try downloading it from the Microsoft Store itself. And if you're still unable to download it, try creating an account and logging in with your Microsoft account, and this might resolve the issue. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.